Alright, so in the previous videos I showed you how to install XAMPP on macOS 10, and it turns out that Apache and PHP are already shipped with macOS 10 Lion, so you don't need to actually install XAMPP. I got to know this while I was browsing some forums a few days back. So let's jump into it and see how to do this. So first of all, you need to open your terminal and you need to switch as a root user. Okay, now so we switched as a root user, and now we need to edit the httpd.conf file. So we need to do sudo nano /private etc apache 2, and there is this file httpd.conf. So now we are in the nano editor, and we need to search for a line by the name of load module. So there are a couple of load modules over here. The one we are looking for is this one, the load module php5 underscore module. Initially this will be commented like this. All you need to do is remove this hash and then save it. To save the file, press Ctrl O and then press Ctrl X to exit. Okay, so now that we have enabled PHP on our Lion, what we need to do is test it. But before that, we need to go to system preferences, and then we need to click on sharing. So as to enable web sharing so that other people can view our web pages and we can develop on our local machine. So initially this will not be checked, you just check it. So when you're done with this, just close it and open your browser and just type localhost. So if you are greeted by this it works, which it means that Apache is running on your machine. Also, after editing the file, you need to restart Apache. So that can be done by sudo apache ctl restart. So that will restart Apache. Alright, so now that we have Apache working, I'll tell you in brief where your web server is located on your hard drive. So for that, you need to go to my computer. You need to go to your library. In this, you need to scroll down to web server and you need to go to documents. So this documents is the place where all your code will go. It's like the htdocs for XAMPP. So if I make a folder of temp over here and I put an image inside this, suppose I copy this image and I paste this image over here, and then I access this from my URL. So localhost /temp/powered by Mac OS X.gif, it will show me this image. So this is just to test how your Apache is working. Now you need to test whether your PHP is working or not. For that, I'm going to create a sample PHP script, and this PHP script will consist of a function. So we'll start off with the PHP tags and we'll write this PHP info function. What this function does is it will give you the information about the current version of PHP that is installed on your machine. So as you can see, I have that temp folder over here, and in that temp folder I created an index.php which contains this method. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my browser and I'm going to navigate to my temp directory and open my index.php file. If everything is fine, you should be greeted by this. So the current version of PHP is 5.3.6 that is installed on my machine. So now you have Apache and PHP both installed on your machine. You need not install XAMPP. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks a lot.